इंसान एक सामाजिक जानवर है और इंसान को समाज में रहने के लिए जरूरत पड़ती है पहनावे की, और वही पहनावा इंसान की सोच का आईना होता है। अगर पहनावा वक्त मौसम के तालमेल से हो तो उसे नाम दिया जाता है फैशन। दरअसल फैशन अपने आप में एक ऐसा आकर्षक नाम है जिस पर टिकी होती है हमारी मर्यादा, संस्कृति और साथ ही हमारे जीने का नजरिया। देखा जाए तो हमारे देश में फैशन डिजाइनर्स की कोई कमी नहीं। इसी वजह से हमारे इंडियन डिजाइन्स भी बहुत ट्रेंडी और आकर्षक होते हैं और इन्हें आकर्षक बनाने में बहुत से फैशन डिजाइनर्स का योगदान रहता है। अगर बात की जाए फैशन इंडस्ट्री में किसी ऐसे नाम की जहां के डिजाइन्स फैशन वर्ल्ड में एक स्तंभ है, तो उसमें एक नाम आता है अंजलि एंड अर्जुन।
Started the business about 12 years ago. Our label is, I wouldn't say my label is 12 years because I was always retailing with other stores. It's only in 2001 that we launched the label Anjali and Arjun Kapoor. About 5 years ago, we decided to get into retail and we have stores in Delhi, Bombay, Hong Kong and Dubai. Most of the wedding functions are theme based, you know, whether you're doing a Moroccan theme, there are a lot of resort weddings happening. So that's the time when we kind of come in, decide on the colors, the concepts. So it's a very personalized service. So when a bride comes in, there has to be a special appointment taken with us so that we can suggest to them what is right for you and what is not right for you. Every bride wants to wear a statement piece. She doesn't want to look like one of the mill on the run brides, you know, what used to happen like 20 years ago. Today, every bride has a particular sensibility in her mind, and that's what she expresses to us when she comes. And we have the kind of clientele which can relate to the kind of stuff that we do. Arjun Anjali label is a very glamorous label. It's for the girl of today who's very sure about herself and knows exactly what she wants in life.
Our stores. Hopefully, I think we're looking into the North American market, probably somewhere in the East Coast, and also we are thinking of opening in London, in all the major cities of the world.